Let's take a look at some other problems. Now, these are pretty much the same types of problems, but they're formatted slightly differently in that in most of these you see the operation over on the right-hand side of the equal sign, and then the answer over here, or the solution, over on the left-hand side. Same thing, whenever we have an equal sign, what that means is whatever is on this side is the same as whatever is on this side. So they can be switched, it means the same thing. What we really want to focus on is, again, that variable, and then what's happening to that variable. So here 6 is being added to b, so in order to undo, we want to subtract 6. Remember to do it on both sides of the equation. Again, you can draw that line if that's helpful for you. These cancel out, leaving us with just b. We want to drop down that equal sign, and then 18 minus 6 gives us 12. So you notice, again, I left the variable over here on the right-hand side, and the 12 is over on the left-hand side. That's totally fine. 12 is equal to b is equal to 12. Same thing. Okay, over here, here's our variable, p, and 4 is being subtracted from it. So we're going to add 4. Those are going to cancel out, leaving us with just p on this side of the equal sign, and then 12 plus 4 is 16. So p equals 16. All right, now we have x is being divided by 3, and that equals 1. So in order to undo that division, we're going to multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Again, I just put that 3 in parentheses just to show that we're multiplying each side. You can write this as a fraction if that's helpful for you. So 3 over 1 times x over 3, that numerator is going to cancel out with that denominator, leaving us with just x over 1, or just x, because anything over 1 is just that number that's in the numerator, right? So we've got x, and then equals, and then 1 times 3 is 3. All right, and then the last one on this page, we've got that coefficient and the variable put together, so that means they're being multiplied. So c is being multiplied times 7. What do we do to undo that multiplication? We're going to divide, and we're choosing 7 because that 7 is going to cancel out with this 7. So we've got c equals, and then 14 divided by 7 is 2. All right, I've got 4 more for you. What I'd really like for you to do is pause the video, see if you can at least come up with the beginning steps to start to solve these. If you want to try to solve them all the way through, go ahead and solve them, and then come back and we'll go through them together. Okay, so hopefully you did that. So let's just go through these quickly and see if we can solve these and see if you got the right solutions. All right, so here's our variable. It's being divided by 2. So in order to undo that division, we're multiplying by 2. This 2 is going to cancel out with this 2. A equals, and then 20 times 2 gives us 40. All right, here's our variable. 16 is being added to x. So we want to subtract 16 to undo that. These cancel out. That leaves us with x, and then 40 minus 16, let's see, that would be 30, 24. There we go. All right, and then here we have y minus 4. 29 equals y minus 4. We want to undo that subtraction of 4 by adding 4. Again, we're doing it to both sides of the equation. That cancels out there. So then y equals 29 plus 4 equals 33. Great, and then our last one, m is being multiplied times 18. So we want to undo that multiplication with division. So we're dividing by 18, dividing by 18. So these cancel out over here. M equals 36 divided by 18 is 2. Great. I hope that that was helpful for you. Please check out some of my other videos. I have a few more on some of these beginning algebra types of problems and skills that you'll come across. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. Let me know what you thought of this video. Thanks so much.